What if I told you that water isn't just for drinking or swimming, it's also a secret ingredient in creating mind-bending sounds? Imagine a glass filled with water. Now, gently run your finger around the rim. That ethereal humming you hear is more than a party trick. It's a phenomenon called resonance. But it doesn't stop there. In some cultures, entire performances revolve around water-filled vessels. By adjusting the water level, musicians change the pitch, crafting melodies on nothing but glass and liquid. Then there's the hydraulophone, a rare instrument where jets of water are blocked by your fingers to create musical notes. Each droplet dances and vibrates, turning transparent streams into a symphony. Even ancient civilizations used water organs, where flowing water pushed air through pipes, filling temples with haunting tunes. Water's density, movement, and surface tension all combine to shape sound in ways dry objects simply can't. Next time you hear a mysterious tone, ask yourself, could water be the unseen musician? If you found this as fascinating as I do, hit subscribe and help us grow our curious community.